All right, Cycle World, you guys ready for a show? Come on, there's too many people here to be making that level of noise. You guys got to get in mind. First off, I want to give you just the basics of trials and understanding what the sport is about. There's national world championship series in this stuff. It is a legitimate sport out there, but it's just very lesser seen of other sports. The biking, the board is only about 150 pounds, incredibly lightweight. And of course, the objective of this sport is to ride up and down some of the craziest terrain like you're going to see out here without putting your feet on the ground. It's gymnastic skills on 2 wheels, and you're going to see that here shortly. The other thing, it's just entertaining. This guy is the ultimate show off. He loves having a fired up crowd. So I think with that said, let's get you introduced to your rider. He comes out of Lincoln, Nebraska. Folks, let's get loud for Jeff Henson.
Hey, what's up? You guys ready for a bike show? All right, I know I am. All right, like Carol was saying, I think it's Charles riding. This is Charles Rick, but at the same time, it's a motorcycle thrill show. So the crazier, the louder you guys get, the crazier I'm going to get. You with me? All right. As you can tell, it's kind of a slick guy here. I really do my best for you guys. All right. Here's the hardest thing for a trial rider to do. This thing right here. Hardest thing. Balance. Right here. There it is. All right. Oh, thanks for coming out. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. Yeah, I was just kidding. You guys want to see this thing dance a little bit? All right, how's that? Not bad for a polished floor, right? All right, I got better one for you guys. Here we go, the 180. What do you say? You want to see it? You guys feel left out over here?
You can do it.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Man, that's a crazy thing. All right, here we go. We're coming up to the first obstacle tonight. All right, the black ball. So you got to remember, in my sport, if you put your feet down, all the other trial riders are going to make fun of you. Other the game, keep them on the deck. All right. You guys ready for this?
Those got really happy. Those got really happy.
Whoa! Whoa! All right, here we go. Whoa! Man, is it windy up here or something? Somebody shut the door. All right, that was a close one. All right.
Oh man, hope and prayer.
Oh, he's out of control. Man, these kids are just too tough nowadays. All right. This one's for you guys over here. Oh yeah. My 5-foot step out. All right, you guys over here, you want to see it? How do you hit it? Yeah. it's you with the blue shirt. Come on, Daryl. Yeah, come on out. Feel a little rusty. I think I need to practice. Oh, man! He didn't watch. Did you see that? He didn't watch. I don't think I would have watched either. Actually, I did. I watched those whole time. All right, here we go. Hey, good job, D. Right on. We're ready to go. All right. Whoa! Look at that. I got a leg to jump to. You never get me easier. All right. Stopping on the platform at the bottom. All right. Need everybody stay. Good luck, Betsy. All right. Okay, you guys. Hey, we made it. Ooh, look at this parking job. All right, I got one left. What do you guys think? You gonna let me off the hook on this one?
No.
No? Oh, man. All right. You know what, for you guys, it is. All right, this one's the wall of death. All right, you guys want to see this one? I need you here to get really loud. You ready? I can't hear you. Ready?
Damn it. That was pretty good.
Thanks everybody for coming out.